interaction of human beings and the environment is steadily changing. These changes and their local, regional and global dimensions are at the heart of the education and research of geographers at the University of Zurich. They gather images with airborne and spaceborne sensors to monitor the environment through time. The measurements are linked with physical models or climatic or social processes of change. Digital visualization techniques map large data volumes, revealing transformation such as changes in climate or land use. High mountains cover about a fifth of our continents and are a key element in the hydrological cycle of the Earth. Study trips at home and abroad are an integral part of the geography curriculum. Thanks to the University of Zurich's pioneering role in glacier observation, it now hosts the World Glacier Monitoring Service. The centre compiles and disseminates data on approximately 300 glaciers worldwide. The Department of Geography at the University of Zurich is the largest of its kind in Switzerland and offers an enormous variety of subjects. Students are taught about the complex interaction between human beings and the environment, and they learn how to assess risks and to devise future scenarios. The combination of approaches from natural, social and computer science is a characteristic of studying geography. Interdisciplinary work is the basis for research that is both creative and solution-oriented. Geographers perform research in service to society and take responsibility for future generations. This includes people affected negatively by ongoing global transformation. For instance, those who experience poverty, violent conflicts, or natural disasters. The increasing mobility of goods, capital and people transforms everyday life both in our cities and in rural areas, posing enormous societal challenges. Geographers at the University of Zurich engage with topics of public relevance, be it in cities, in remote mountainous regions, in rural areas of the global south, or with a view to current Swiss politics. Close cooperation with private and public organisations ensures that their findings have real societal benefit. A degree in geography opens up a wide range of career opportunities in urban or environmental planning, industry, software firms, international development and tourism. Geography, the world in motion.